Welcome to tinyhandsart.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute and shiny glitter car. So grab your colors and let's get started. First, I draw the car roof. Next, I draw the windshield, hoods, and bumpers. Then I draw the tires and rims. After that, I add the window. Now I draw a cute smiling mouth and big happy eyes. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray and black for the eyes, tires, and rims. A car is a vehicle that people use to travel from one place to another. It has 4 wheels and is usually powered by an engine. Then I use cyan for the windshield and bumpers. There are many types of cars, like sports cars, family cars, electric cars, and trucks. Each one is made for different uses. Next, I color the window with yellow. And finally, I use orange to color the whole car body. The first car was made in 1886 by Carl Benz. Since then, cars have become faster and smarter. Wow, our glittery car looks so bright and happy. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and shiny drawings. See you next time. Bye!